I trade spot and futures on BYDFi, and if you want to set up an account now, send me a message once you've created your account with your username and UID on Telegram, and I'll put you into a randomly selected prize draw. I've got $10, $20 and $50 gift cards to give out, which basically go against your trading fees, giving you free trading fees basically until the gift cards run out. BYDFi. Hello everybody, welcome back. We're going to have a quick look at just Bitcoin and Ethereum really on day one of 2024. So I don't really know exactly what to expect in 2024, to be honest with you, because 2023, despite what people might have felt, it's actually been pretty decent for Bitcoin, for crypto, for stocks, for everything. And as much as I like to see upsides and continuation for prolonged periods of time, I'm probably a little skeptical about how we're going to move into this new year. Now, at the moment, it's just another day, really. It's nothing much more than that. It's literally just another day. There's nothing special about today as far as the chart is concerned. But, you know, when it comes to continuation, I still feel as though the right thing to say would be that I'm expecting to see Bitcoin break out from its current trend, which is a consolidation trend on the weekly. It's very nice, in fact. It's very neat and tidy. I move up towards the top of the Bollinger Band and towards this $48,000 zone. Same thing really with Ethereum. I'll be looking for Ethereum to do pretty much exactly the same. Ethereum's actually got its trend signal kicked in now on the weekly, which will this week be maintained for prices above 1,946, and at some point later on down the line can even be a trend, an uptrend that's still valid at 1,650. So all of that is still definitely good. And look, I'm not going to dispute that we are in a bull market. I've been saying we're in a bull market for a long time. And the main thing is that, you know, even in bull markets we do consolidate. This is the last bull market for Ethereum. This is what the last bull market looks like. Up, down, basically up. And I always use this as just anecdotal, really. But I bought Ethereum at the beginning of the last bull market, probably around this area. Average buy-in for me from the hodl that still exists in my portfolio. It was buying Ethereum at $160. Now I saw I saw it go up, I saw it go down, I saw it go down again, I saw it go up, I saw it go down, and I saw it go up. And now basically I'm comfortably up 10x, and the old saying of the store of value is definitely true. The best time to buy Bitcoin and probably Ethereum is always 5 years ago, right? For me, that is 5 years ago, and that's just sitting there in profit now. But what I'm trying to put across is bull markets aren't just up only. That's a bull run. That's the bubble pop. We're not ready for a bubble pop yet. We have gone up, we've gone down, we've gone up. Might go down at some point soon. So again, you know, just putting it out there that a consolidation is definitely due in not just crypto but all markets, right? We've got things coming out, haven't we? We've got the Bitcoin ETF. Probably a sell the news event. What else we got? We've got most likely the lowering of rates, right, from the Federal Reserve, just to try to encourage mortgages, really, if anything. Obviously the stock market does not need stimulus, but there are other parts of the economy, much larger parts, like, you know, the housing market, which probably does need a little stimulus because it's causing a bit of a housing crisis. We've got the same problem over here in the UK, probably worse, because our mortgages only have fixed rates of 5 years for the most part, so a lot of people are not going to be able to afford their mortgages. Some of them can't even do it now. This is the same thing that happened in the 80s anyway. Anyway, boring stuff. But yeah, the lowering of rates, which again, I believe that the markets have priced in. I think the markets have priced that in. The Fed haven't exactly said that that's what they're going to do, but we can read between the lines, and the market is good at reading between the lines, and I think the markets have priced that in already. So we've got two events that have probably, as far as I can tell, been priced into the markets. So those events, although they are bullish long term, have been priced in. So that might be enough to cause the consolidation. We've also, I believe, the Bitcoin halving is taking place this year as well. Again, another fundamentally bullish situation. Mostly gets priced in before the event. So each of those three things that I've mentioned, despite them being actually bullish, the market, I believe, is priced in. Anyway, so let's just let's get back to the shorter term timeframes now that I've ruined the new year already for you. Bitcoin 4 hourly, same as yesterday, came down to the golden cross on the 4 hourly, 200 exponential, riding the 200 simple, above most moving averages, looking to break this last one, which is basically where you're at right now. 42,600. If you break that, you break through pretty much the 4 hourly consolidation, and we'll be looking to move up. And again, just like yesterday, up to 44,000, and probably at that point move onwards and up, because this is, if you're going to get a V-shaped recovery and the continuation of a trend, you'd normally get it on a golden cross retest, whether it's a 4 hourly, a daily, even a weekly, and we've got it on the 4 hourly. So we're focused on the 4 hourly. We're above the center of the Bollinger Band, giving us 65% more likelihood of staying above that area. So support's basically at 42,300. So that's good. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Do we have the same vibe on Ethereum? No, not quite yet. Well, I mean, we had the V-shaped recovery, didn't we? So this is a good example of what would happen. So up, down, retest, 200 exponential, bang, V-shaped recovery, new local high. Now we're consolidating as the rest of the market is also consolidating, and the resistance that we're pushing right now is 2,300, being the Bollinger Band center. A break above there and a closure above there marks the end of this portion of the consolidation, and we should be looking for a new local high. So it does all look short-term bullish. This is what I'm saying. It is a new year. There are things to be concerned about this year, despite them actually being bullish. I think the market will interpret it in a different way when those things, if and when those things take place. But in the short term, it's just another day, another chart, another candle body. And at the moment, the setup is still valid for everybody to start moving up once again for further upside across the board, because Bitcoin is good, Ethereum is good, and we're looking for these breakouts to happen more or less at any point. So short term is good. Medium term is probably okay as well, because again we've got those targets to hit: 48,000 for Bitcoin, 2,800 to 3,000 for Ethereum, and whoever knows what's going on with your particular altcoin of choice, but I'm sure there's resistances on there too. So it all looks good, but just remember where we've been this last year. Some people have been complaining about this year being not very good, but actually it's been awesome. It's been actually awesome. So that's 2023, by the way. So look, 2024 could also be awesome. I'm actually quite bullish overall. In 365 days from today, I think we will have seen some epic price action, but that might not be before a larger pullback first, or a consolidation. So yeah, we'll continue with this trend, as the trend is still valid, and we'll enjoy this trend until it finishes, and then we will reassess. But yeah, as far as today is concerned, we are about to break out across the board for Bitcoin and Ethereum, pushing the last resistance and getting ready to make a new local high. So that'll be Bitcoin up to and above 44,000, Ethereum up to and above 2,400. And that's pretty much all I have to say about it. Right, so I'll leave it with you there. If you want to join the Patreon, links in the description below. We'll be doing a live stream tomorrow night, as we do every Tuesday and Friday. So maybe I'll see you there. Otherwise, Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.